Hello guys, good to have you here once again. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. My name is Joy, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a DIY moisturizing leave-in cream. So this recipe is very special to me because I kind of added in some ingredient that I feel will be very beneficial to my hair. So what I'm using here is shea butter, and I'm also going to be using my flaxseed gel, my olive oil, and also my DIY moringa oil. I have a link in the description box down below on how I make this moringa oil and also my flaxseed gel, so feel free to check out that video. Mixing this ingredient together, I'm going to add an emulsifying wax. So because water and oil do not mix, and my flaxseed gel is made up of water, so you need a wax, an emulsifying wax, to kind of bring that water and oil together so that they don't separate after you've mixed them up. So I'm going to melt this mixture using a double boiler method. You can check my upload on hair butter. You will see what I mean by a double boiler method. So I did that and I melted it, and then I just kept it in the refrigerator just for a few minutes, just to get it to solidify a bit before I can go in with my hand mixers. I think I kind of overdid it, but my mixer was able to come through for me, and I had the consistency that I was looking for, as you can see. This is a white, creamy, very moisturizing leave-in cream. So in this phase, which is the cool down phase, I'm going to be adding my preservative, my vitamin E oil, and also my peppermint oil, which is my essential oil. I decided to add Chebe powder to this for added moisture retention. You guys know how I love Chebe powder because of its ability to help your hair to retain moisture. And also glycerin, I will be adding glycerin, so feel free to add this if you want to, but it's not compulsory. The Chebe powder was of my own choice, so if you don't have Chebe powder, you don't have to add Chebe powder to this. This is just what I want at this particular time. So I went ahead and used my hand mixer to give this a thorough mix, and before I go in with my glycerin. So glycerin, as you know, is a humectant, and you can also use honey if you want, but I prefer to use glycerin. And I'm just adding 2 half tablespoons of glycerin, so that to help attract moisture into my hair strands. So all these things I'm adding to this leave-in cream is just to help me as much as possible to add extra moisture to my hair. This is just a moisturizing cream I came up with just to give me moisture. Anything moisture, you know, I'm game for it on this channel. I love to retain moisture as much as possible. So this is the final look, guys. This is what it looks like. I'm going to transfer this into my container, so make sure your container is well sterilized and clean, so that your ingredient don't go bad. And at this point, you want to add your preservative. Guys, you need a preservative for whatever DIY you're using. If you're going to be using it for a long time, you need a preservative so that it doesn't go bad. This is it, guys. Very slippery, moisturizing. The flaxseed gel is giving it the sleep that I want, making it to be light and is smooth and fine. And this is how it felt on my skin. I discovered when I left it on for a while, even after washing my hands, that part of my where I applied it was still very well moisturized. So this is it, guys. Feel free to try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section what you feel or what you think. And if there are any questions you'd like to ask, Let me know also in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and please don't forget to give this video a like. I will see you in my next video.